Hey, welcome. All right, in this video, I want to do an album share with you guys. I created this love story mini album from the recipe mini album. If you remember right, a few videos ago, I showed you the recipe album and the 8.5 by 11 binder album. And when you purchase this tutorial, you'll get all three albums with this one purchase. Okay, so this one is geared towards not recipe. Okay, this is everything about photographs, and it measures 8.5 by 9. Let's see, 8.5 by 9.5, and it has about 1.75 inch spine on it, and it only has 2 pages instead of the 4 pages at the recipe album. Now, this one does not have as many pockets. Like I said, it's more geared towards the or photographs. Okay, and I did use a beautiful collection. I think it was last year's or the year before. It's called Love Story Collection from Simple Stories, and I used cream cardstock in this for places to put your photographs or journal. So that opens up. You have a pocket here. Okay. And then you have a nice place for a few photographs, and that opens up. And then you have a nice big pocket here, and I kind of made it a little bit interactive to where you could put a couple of photos and journal. Yep, I didn't put anything on the backs. So that goes in there. Then this opens up. And then you have a belly band here for some more opportunities for photographs. Okay. And these belly bands, we just put them on here. And then I put the photo mats. Then I attached the 3x4s. Okay, so that allowed it a little bit more room. But, oh, this paper is just so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. And then this opens up, and it has a pocket just like our recipe album did. Okay. And a recipe album had pockets here, but this one doesn't. So you open it here, and then you have nice room for photo mats. And again, I've done the same thing here where you could journal about your photographs here and here. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask or let me know down in the comments what you think about this album. In our recipe, we had pocket, so I took those off so we can, put our photographs, and then that opens. Oh, so beautiful. So here you have, this one I added pockets here. And this one over here, I didn't add pockets. But in the middle section, I added the 2 pockets here. Okay. So you have nice big room for photographs, both pockets. You have a pocket here. And I just put one pocket. Yeah, these are supposed to go on the outside like that. There we go. So I just done one pocket. I didn't do the other pocket. And then the front, I didn't do a pocket. And in the back one, I didn't do the pocket as well. But the middle ones has the pockets. So then that opens up. And have you guys ever been creating something and you're decorating? And I was thinking this was the pocket here, where you slide it underneath here, but no. After I glued those on, I'm like, oh no, the pocket's over here. These should have been over here. It was too late. I already glued them on. Oh well. Oh, it's always something. We are always doing something. See, like this one is on here, like it's supposed to be. Uh-oh. It's such a beautiful, beautiful collection. And that just closes up. So then we have our back page here. And again, some photo mats. Then this opens up, and see, we don't have pockets here. A nice place for photographs. Okay. So then we have the inside of the back cover, so that opens, and you have a pocket here. Nice place for your photographs or journaling. You have a nice big pocket there. Okay. And then this flips open. And again, we have that belly band feature here. Ain't that just neat? So that is my love story album. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it inspired you to create. And if, like I said, if you happen to have any questions or anything, please ask down below. I'll get back with you. And yeah. All right. So as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.